Let's take some of my recent thrifted finds and turn them into updated, beautiful home decor. Starting off these quick and easy projects with a transfer. This is the Redesign by Prima Vintage Labels one, and I love the light blue tone. I was a little worried at first that it wasn't going to show up on these tins, but it worked out perfectly. I thrifted these tins. I think they were around $1 a piece a while back. They've been in my stash, and I thought they would make perfect floral tins. Now I've rolled up an apron here and put my tin inside of that to keep it from moving around. I peeled the paper backing off of my transfer, and now I am placing it on the tin where I want it to go. Using the enclosed rubbing stick, I start rubbing that image down so it will stick onto my tin. Once I have rubbed the entire image down, I start lifting the plastic up off of the corner to remove it and get that transfer to adhere perfectly onto my tin. Once the plastic is completely removed, I take a piece of a clean cloth, in this case my apron here, and I burnish it down onto the tin. That's going to help make sure it's all adhered properly and minimize the edging on the side of the transfer. Transfers are such a quick and easy way to transform your thrifted finds into beautiful home decor. This is also a great project if you need to create a lot of inventory for a booth space or maybe an upcoming market. Drop me a comment below. Let me know if you have ever tried redesign with Prima transfers. If you're wanting to purchase any of the products I'm using today or any of my flips, you'll find everything at upcycledbybrie.com, and I'll be sure to drop all of the links down in the description box below as well. Project number 2 are these adorable little hanging tins. I think I actually got these from an estate clean out. They had some outdated floral in them, which I removed, and now I want to use up the end of some of my DIY paint. This is a clay-based paint, and I'm also using the DIY Perfectionist brush. I've mixed 2 colors together here, petticoat pink and cherry picked, to create this beautiful purple color. I would say it's about a 50-50 mix. Look how this Perfectionist brush gets down inside that cone. It's got a little pointed tip on it that makes painting these smalls such a quick and easy task. I give each piece 1 coat of paint. The highly pigmented thick paint does provide amazing coverage. It sticks to just about anything and does not require any prep work. It's VOC free. You can use it inside the house and paint with the kids with no worries. The other great thing about DIY paint, it's water soluble until it's sealed, so I can wet distress back these beautiful little details. I just have plain water here on my cloth, and I'm rubbing back the paint where I want some of that pretty cream color to come back through. Once I've got the pieces wet distressed, I'm going to easily seal them up with some DIY clear wax. I've just got a chip brush here, and I apply an even coat over the entire painted piece. Once I've got the wax on, I wipe back any excess with a clean cloth, and that easily these pieces are sealed. Now notice as I'm waxing, the paint does get a little bit darker. As it dries, it'll lighten back up and even out if you see any streakiness. But I am just loving this custom color of purple. Drop me a comment down below. Do you decorate with purple in your home decor? It has been selling really well for me. I added a little bit of more modern dried floral, and these hangers are complete in about 20 minutes. Our last quick and easy project today is this thrifted basket. I paid 50 cents for it, and I always pick up these flat baskets when I see them. I have grabbed a piece of scrap wood out of my stash in the garage. It was already cut to the perfect size, and simply using a wood screw and my drill, I am going to screw this basket on to my wood. I'm going to fill it with some of my old thrifted floral out of my stash. I found some pretty rose colors that tie in with the colors of the basket. And using a nailless picture hanger, I just hammer that onto the back, put my floral in, and voila, you were done. Can you imagine how many cute little floral displays like this you could make if you needed to create a lot of inventory for your store or for a upcoming event? Such a pretty quick makeover. Drop me a comment below. Let me know which one of these projects today was your favorite. Now, if y'all love these thrift flips, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, let me know so I can continue to bring you the content you like. Be sure to subscribe and follow if you haven't yet, and send this video to a friend who maybe doesn't know about the wonderful world of thrift flipping, and let's spread the love. Till next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, friends.